What's going on, everybody? It's Crypto Vision here, back again with another crypto market update. Today's video, we're going to be going over CHAINLINK. We're going to be going over CRO. We're just going to be we're going to be bouncing back to stablecoin dominance. We're going to see if this is real or not, if this is just another, pump before the dump kind of situation. So if you like today's video, hit that like button, smash that sub button, and, leave a comment where you're tuned in from. You know the deal. So let's get into it, man. Overall, ladies and gentlemen, this looks really good, right? This looks good. This wick is kind of strong, but we are above that 2432 mark. We're above the 20-day EMA, and we're just below this 2516 mark. You ask, oh, how did you get these levels? Okay, I'll show you real quick. All right, we should go high to low, just an area. Right, so we got that 886, 786 area just on this overall retracement. Areas that we do need to get above. Low to high, right? Should be the, if I can get that right there, right? Low to high. So we are above that 382. All right, 382 is looking good. We kind of bounced off that. We're sitting right above the 236. So we're looking good. We're looking really good. Overall, Chainlink might be the most bullish, most bullish dino coin or large cap coin, whatever you want to say, right? All the EMAs are pointed up. Right, we're in an uptrend. We're moving up, right? So this is good. This is good. So we close above this 2516 mark. Where are we going, right? Well, overall, this really does look like a 1-2, right? You came up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kind of came down in three big or five small. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So it could be a 5, 3, 3, which is fine. It's an overall A, B, C, if you can't see it. Alright, little A, B, C, right? Got a higher low, right? Higher low. It doesn't take out the entirety of the first wave, right? It comes back down, probably comes down to the 786, 886 area, something like that, right there. 786, 886 area, called it on the dot. This next one, I think this is another 1-2. Alright, this is another 1-2, because this isn't big enough for a third wave based on, well, let's see. Let's see. Does it get to the 1618 at all before correcting? No, it does not. No, it does not. And it's not the most impulsive. This cannot be the third. This cannot be the fifth wave. So I think we're in another 1-2. Okay? I think we're in another 1-2. Where did we come down and correct to? That looks about to be the 618 area. 0.5, something like that. There we go. Yep, right on the 0.5. Okay. So we got a 1-2, and now I think we're in the third wave, ladies and gentlemen. I think we're in the third wave. Right, we're in the third wave. Yeah, we've come up. We've cleared the 786. We're still above the 786, which is bullish as heck. We're above the 886. We came up, kind of tried to get to the 618 area, couldn't. Yeah, this next move, I'm thinking we're coming up to this 2618 area. I mean, best case scenario is 4272 area. I mean, Chainlink looks that bullish, ladies and gentlemen. So, you have these levels. Take a screenshot of them. Right? I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice, but I'm loving Chainlink. It looks beautiful. It looks absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at this. Right, if you are here and you've watched XLM and you kind of want to compare, some cryptos, similar cryptos, right? It's a larger cap altcoin, right? We're living below the 52, right? Look at this, we live below. Living below. You see the difference, right? Living above with blemishes to the downside. Blemishes to the downside, living above. Look at this, you can't even get below the 5201. You just will not do it. Right, you won't do it. You bounce off of it. You're looking for some strength. This looks great. So now the next step, right? The next step, because it's not just up only, right? We need to get above this. Not just this moving average. Get above this this trend line, right? I want to cancel out these lower highs, right? Lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, right? Just down. Let's boom. Just wipe them all out. Wipe them all off the face of the earth. Just boom. Oh, Fu Manchu looks beautiful, baby. We got this wave up here. Stochastic's pointing up. We're keeping momentum. We've just come down and slowly cooled off. Right? Slowly cooled off. Hey, the last time we had a large move, we actually came down low. We can't even get down low. We can't even get down low. So Hey, be prepared for a large move on Chainlink. Let's come into the 8-hour. See, it's 8-hour. Wow, 8-hour looks great. 8-hour looks great, right? We kind of bounced right off this 25.16 mark. We're still above the 20. We're still above all the EMAs. We were resting on the 50. This is what you want to see. This is bullish. This is bullish stuff, ladies and gentlemen. Chainlink is strong right now. Chainlink is strong. What is the? Oh yeah, we're getting back above the 52. Every time we're above the 52, I mean, look at our work, baby. We're putting in work, right? We get above this 52. Look at us, rip skis, just ripping. Look at this, just up. We come down, right? We're going down, and then we rip back up. So the fact that we couldn't even get below this 39.23 level, hey, we're looking good. We got a green dot on the 4-hour, on the 8-hour. I'm sorry, we've broken out of this little wedge. We had a fake out. All right, so I like to capture the fake outs, right? Fake out, breakout, baby. Fake out, breakout. So let's see what we got here. I'm gonna actually close this out. I'm gonna close this out because we broke out. I mean, it's not, and we came back and back tested it. So it's no longer needed, right? It's no longer needed. We don't gotta clunk up the charts, right? Don't gotta clunk up the charts. Now we know what we got, right? We know what we got. Let's do something like this. Do something like this. Right? Something like that. A little broad-kneed wedge. Just a small one, right? Small broad-kneed wedge, right? So let's try to stay in this channel now. Let's try to stay in this channel and just work our way up. Higher lows. So that looks good. All right, Chainlink looks great, ladies and gentlemen. Chainlink looks great. Yeah, so if we're let's check this out on the, oh wow, look at that. The 20 is about to cross above the 50. That's good. That's real good. Ooh, look at this. Just hammered down. Just boom, smash down. This looks beautiful, right? Right, this looks good. This looks really good. Right? 20.51, right? So we get the cross from the 20 above the 50 and the 1, then we get the cross of the 50 over the 1. It's great. Where are we going from here? This kind of looks like an ABC. Where did we come down to the 0.5 to the 3.618, 0.5, right? Close right at the 0.5. That looks like an A to me. Did we come up to the 382? Yeah, wicked right up to the 382, closing right above the 236. Right, let's see where can we go now? Where can we go? Boom, that 1272 to the 1618. You're still forming a higher low. Right, this thing actually needs to be a little bit more. Something like that, right? Something like that. Okay, still forming a higher low. You can come down like this, come down, all right, come down like this, come down like this, one of the two, right, one of the two, and then get ready to go, then come up, break above this 382. That's what you really need. You really need to get above this B wave, whatever this B wave's at, but 382 would be nice. Get above this 382, come through up like this, and then go, something like that. All right, can we make sense of that? Where are we in terms of the fib base extension? Real quick, because I got to get to, I had a request for CRO, so I'm going to look over CRO. Fib base extension, where are we? Where are you, Christmas? Yeah, we're sitting right below that 786, so we can't get above that 786. Kind of wicked above to that 886 area. Yeah, come back to that 382. Definitely can see us coming back to this 382, and then getting up above this 1618. Hey, we get above 2653. We are mad bullish. We are as bullish as you can get. 26. You're closing candles above this, right? Like this right here. This is like, oh, dude, we're bullish up here. We got up to. We almost got up to. We did get up to the 2272. Wow, look at that. That's a fib base extension if you ever had one, but. Yeah, next stop, you know, this 2663, it's right above this area, you know, finding some support and then ripping, dude, going up, that $31 range. and just getting out of this whole range, right? Just getting out of this whole range. Right, this whole range. We're at $31. We're not going to just close. We're not just going to get here and stop, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to rip. We are going to run. We are going to rip. You know, I just think, let me see here. Let me see here. Let me throw something on here like this. I don't really like using these on the smaller time frames, right? So we got something like that. Where did my other one go? That thing always disappears, man. That's crazy. Unless it's on the weekly. It is on the weekly. I'm gonna keep this on the weekly. I don't need that on the daily. Just to kind of see, I want to track what we're doing with that, right? I want to track what we're doing with that. Did I save the other one though? I don't think I saved the other one though. I gotta go back and do that real quick on the 8 hour. I did not, so I'll save that one. Where did it go? Something like this. Where are we on the 4 hour? Boom, boom, that looks good. Closing right on it. I can pull this down just a tad bit. Boom, cool. Sweet, so we have an area, we have areas to look for. We have, you know, we're fighting for sure. So CHAINLINK looks great. CHAINLINK looks great. Just checking in on the stablecoin dominance, right? This freaking son of a gun. Yeah, we're just sitting 615. We're just right below that, right? Oh, now we're not even crossing. We were crossing below on this RSI. So this is a huge week, right? Market makers are just toying with us. Where's Crow at? Where's Crow? Whoa, look at this thing. This thing is just ripped. Right, we're getting some massive profit taken up through here. So, you know, not financial advice, but if you've ripped up 157% in a 3-day span, right? It's like, you can, it wouldn't hurt to take some off the table. Right, what do we got here? Do we have a 1 2 1 2? I think so. Alright, do we have that? So let's do some fib-based retracements. Came down to that 382. Okay, that's a pretty shallow bounce, but it's beautiful. It is beautiful. Now we're gonna come back up. It's probably a little bit deeper, probably to 6. Oh, just below. Alright, stayed above the 786. Strong, right? Really strong. And so if this is a 1 2 1 2, right, this is your third wave. You are in a third wave of a third wave, right? This has got to be the first, or maybe this is the 5th wave, right? This is the 5th wave. I don't know. Yeah, this is because this is your third wave, so this is your 5th wave. So if we come up through here, come down, look at that! Wow, you just rip through every single. See, that's what these Fibonacci extensions, they're awesome, but just for crypto, you can rip through those bad boys like nothing, like absolute butter. Overall, you did find some turbulence at that right after that 1272. Where did we close at? That 113. You got above that 1618. Coming down, you're probably just consolidating, getting ready for your next move up to that 50-cent mark, right? And then hopefully up to that 77% mark. So I mean, if you were buying down through here, I mean, that's 10x almost. 10x almost. So it's looking good. There is major profit taking going on right now. Major profit taking. If we have us on the weekly, oh yeah. Oh, did you break? Oh, you broke out. You broke out of your high. Wow, you broke out. So this thing is getting ready to just go. Crow is getting ready to absolutely just tear through the roof. So pullback wise, I'll get us on a pullback where I could see us pulling back to. Alright, let's get like on the 8 hour or something. Okay. 8 hour fib retracement. Let's go low to high. Let's take this low to this high. Right, to this typically, right, on your A wave, you come to the 382 for strong, weaker, right, for like strongest it's just 382, just bounce off 382. Alright, these are your little areas, so you could do, right, bounce off the 382, bounce off the 0.5, bounce off the 618. Anything below that, if you're coming down through here, right, you're gonna see a deeper C wave. That's just how it is, because the C wave is based on the A wave. Right, so that's essentially why. Okay, so right, if we get down through, because it doesn't look like it's done, right, so this 29-cent level all the way down to the 20-cent level, right, that 786 level could be where you can see. It just depends where this starts to move. Yeah, but that 382.5, 618, so these are areas to watch. That 29-cent to that 24-cent range for now. Lowest I see it correcting is down to that 20-cent range. So overall low, this looks great. This looks good. Do you have, yeah, you have bearish divergence. So yeah, you got bearish divergence on the 8 hour. Not too good. So yeah, you're gonna see a correction. Possibly what did I say? Down 20 cents is down. You know, maybe coming down, testing this 20-day EMA again. Maybe even coming down to this 50-day. All right, let me get one from this low right here. Make sure the levels are good. Yeah, I just took it from a little bit lower just to be safe. Yeah, so if you're looking to add, right, not a financial advisor, this isn't financial advice, but you know, this 618 would probably be a safe bet. 618 or this 0.5. Alright, 618, 0.5. Worst case scenarios down here at this 19-cent level. Right, just front running the 50. Front running the 50. There you go. Because you do have bearish divergence. You are cooling off. So you're probably cooling, yeah, you're cooling off. Right, you got bearish divergence as you're moving up. Right, you're getting lower. Is this a lower high? Yeah, 90. Yeah, lower high, but then you got a higher high. So, right, they canceled it out, honestly. And so, and now you're cooling off with the cooling off RSI. It's getting ready to run again for sure. It's just really overbought right now. People have just been buying and buying and buying. So, you know, solid areas if you're interested. So, overall, yeah, these are the two altcoins that are for this video. You know, if you have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hit that like button, subscribe. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate you. Good luck. Have a good rest of your day. Peace.